He's back. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Altcoin Trey, and y'all are tuned in to the #1 crypto channel on YouTube. And if not, we will be one day. Alright, so I'm not even gonna, no introduction. It's time to get straight into this. There's a lot of things going on in the crypto market, and just the markets in general. Everything is hot, everything is on fire. And I cannot wait to share my extreme bullishness with you all. So man, y'all already know, still tuned in, locked in, man. Stick around to the rest of this video.
Who ready? We ready. Who ready? We ready.
All right, man. First and foremost, you know we got to cover that routine house maintenance. We have got to go over this extremely bullish turn of events in this market. So without a doubt, you know we got to already start off with Bitcoin, the big kahuna. Man, sitting at $70,000 again. Yes, Bitcoin has once did it again, and touched the $70,000 levels. We are sitting at 13.58 on the 7 days. Now, Ethereum, man, look at Ethereum. Now, if you don't know what is the reason, what is going on, why is Ethereum pumping, we are about to get to that in just a second. So make sure you don't click off this video. Stay tuned. We are going to get into it. Very bullish indeed. But on that 7 days, it's at 31%. Man, looking at BNB up 9.16%. Solana up 24.28%. Jeez Louise. We got XRP 7.13%. Dogecoin is at 18.73%. Toncoin is down 8.67%. You got Cardano up 14.83%. Avalanche up 29%. And rounding off, well, we already rounded it off. I guess Avalanche is going to be our honorable mention, coming in at number 11, but we got to put Shiba Inu in there. Shiba Inu is up 14.60% on that 7 days. Now let's get into what is really going on, what is really happening. If you have not already heard, let's start off with it, man. Let's get right into it. The Daily Hodl says all bets are off. Top analyst unveils crypto market forecast amid increased odds of Ethereum ETF approval. Now, you heard me right. An Ethereum ETF approval may be imminent. Oh my goodness gracious. Listen, I did not think this would happen. I didn't think news about this would come about as quickly as it has. I mean, I knew this was going to happen. Did not know it was going to be on our back doors this quickly. Now, it says a widely followed crypto strategist says that a certain altcoin group will massively benefit from the approval of a spot market Ethereum ETF exchange traded fund. It says synonymous analyst Don Alt tells about 554,400 followers on his social media platform X that while an Ethereum ETF might be a bit bearish for Bitcoin, now for Bitcoin inflows, which obviously that may happen, especially if we get an Ethereum ETF, naturally all that volume is going to pump into Ethereum. It will be bullish for Ethereum and altcoin cohort that has yet to see the big rallies. So what this means is, we all know Ethereum has yet to even come close to its all-time high, but now something is definitely in the water, and I'm liking what I am seeing with the possibilities of this ETH ETF. It says yesterday crypto market took off amid reports that an Ethereum ETF now has a 75% chance of getting the green light from the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, the SEC. Yes, that means Daddy Gensler, Grandpa Gensler, whatever you want to call him. He is basically got his back up against the wall on this one, because there is too much demand. There's been too much anticipation for us to actually get an Ethereum spot ETF. Like, come on, it only makes sense at this point. I mean, he cannot deny the inevitable. People are wanting this. This is something that is going to change the game, though, massively in the cryptocurrency market as a whole, in my honest, non-professional opinion. Also, you have a chart right here just signifying a little bit of a green candle right there, just slowly inching up and really taking us to where we need to be as far as that. The news, the build up, things of that nature. You know how it goes if you've been in this market long enough. Now let's go over here to Forbes Digital Assets. Now, okay, wait. Yeah, we'll froze there for a second. It says Ether prices rally past 3,500 as spot ETF speculation fueled the gains. Now, this was an article posted on yesterday, May 20th, 2024. You can see it right there. It says Ether prices rally pushed past the $3,500 levels and reaching their highest value in over a month as markets responded favorably to the speculation that applications for a spot-based Ether exchange-traded fund ETF may soon obtain approval. It says earlier today, Eric Balsnas, an ETF analyst for Bloomberg Intelligence, posted on the X platform, formerly known as Twitter, that both he and his colleagues James Safar are more than confident that the U.S. Exchange Commission, the SEC, will authorize the creation of a spot-based Ether ETF in the near future. Man, I really have to, man, if only you guys could see, I'm sitting here sweating bullets behind the fact that we could actually be seeing this as little as this week. I've heard rumors that this may pop out early as this week for an Ether ETF, but let's just be realistic. Let's just be realistic and say that, okay, maybe there'll be a delay like there was with the Bitcoin ETF and things of that nature. It says update at Jeff Safar and I are increasing our odds of a spot ETF approval by 75% from a former prediction of 25% or a 25% chance of it getting approved. Hearing chatter this afternoon that the SEC would be doing a 180, and guys, this is a complete 180 on the increasingly political issue. Increasingly political. Pay attention to that right there. Increasingly political. Why? Because people are wanting this. People are wanting the SEC to stop dragging their feet, stop playing around with us. We want this ETF to be approved. It says, so anyone scrambling like us, everyone else assuming they be denied, wrote on the social media platform. Can't say that guy's last name right there. But man, let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. This is very, very bullish. I want to make a quick video about what has been going on. There's a lot that's been going on in the market. Things are definitely starting to heat up, and we need to definitely take note of that. Now, let's head on over to another very, very interesting thing that has happened in the past few weeks, and that is this guy right here. Roaring Kitty is back, ladies and gentlemen. This man is back. Now, you may ask yourself, well, Altcoin, what does Roaring Kitty have to do with all this? I'm going to tell you right now, this has to do a lot with Roaring Kitty. If you just really wrap your mind around this concept, there is a lot that's been going on. There is a lot of build up in the market. There is a lot of, we are basically right on track for the next bull run. And by this man coming out of retirement for almost 3 years and actually giving us his first tweet in almost 3 years on his Twitter page or X page. It wasn't even X by the time he left, but now it is. But he is letting us know that a bull run is definitely upon us. Yes, he was the GameStop guy. If you don't know him, he was the GameStop guy. He was the one that basically killed the hedge funds. Yes, knocked them out of the park. If you haven't seen the movie, go see the movie. It is on Netflix. I think it's still on Netflix, called Dumb Money. This was a very, very interesting story about this man's entire journey through his trading in the market. But yes, I truly believe, and as you just, if you go all the way back or go through all of his posts, he's not, ever since that first post, he's just been posting and posting, but just subliminals, movie clips, memes, movie clip memes, writing, I mean, just subliminal things. Like, he is back. He is trying to let us know that there is something big in the water. I truly believe that there is something to be seen here. As you can see, he has now 1.3 million followers. If I'm not mistaken, he only had half that on his Twitter page before he actually came back from and risen from the underground, or whatever you want to call it, risen from the deep waters of his slumber. So yes, very exciting times indeed, and I really believe Roaring Kitty gets the picture. Roaring Kitty knows where everything is about to head. This market is about to go extremely nuts, and he wants a piece of the pie as well. So I think we should also just take that into deep consideration. If the Roaring Kitty has returned, growling and scratching and clawing, there is something definitely coming in the just, year to 12 months, 6 months to a year from now, things are going to get really, really heated. I, for one, am very excited, and I hope you are too.
So there you have it. To summarize up everything I just mentioned in this video, number one, I'm very, very bullish on the fact that they are actually starting to consider the possibility of a spot Ethereum ETF, and it seems like it may come a little bit faster or quicker than even the BTC ETF that it took us so long to finally get. It seems like now they're really trying to get the gears turning. The SEC, bottom line is, the SEC knows what people want. The SEC knows that they drag their feet. They are subject to so many more court cases, so many more things opening up in front of them that they just don't want to deal with. So why not give the people what they want? They work for us, right? So why not give the people what they want? They want to have the best interest for the American people, or whatever you want to call it. Have our best interest and go ahead and approve the spot Ether ETFs. I cannot wait. I'm just lost for words. We are actually here, guys. This is going to be the bull run of all bull runs, in my opinion. When we speculated a super cycle before, now I'm really speculating a super cycle indeed. None of this went on last bull cycle. If you were around for the last bull cycle, you would know none of this went on, and we had such an epic run then. What do you think is going to happen now in this bull cycle? Then, like I said again, you have people like icons like Roaring Kitty getting back into the game. If you know, this man ran away with millions of dollars in the last bull run, even though he was in the stock market with the meme stock of GameStop. He has been gone ever since then, but now he has returned. Just so happened, not only around the same time this all popped off in the first place with GameStop, but also around the same time as the bull run kicking off of last cycle. So I just don't know. Maybe I'm just a crazy dude on the internet putting two and two together and trying to get you guys as pumped as I am. Woo! All right, so that's all I got. I'm not going to keep rambling too long. Make sure you like the video. Make sure, if you are not subscribed to the video, please subscribe to the video. Subscribe to the channel. Leave a like on the video. Man, I got to slow down a little bit. But I'm extremely bullish on where these things are about to go here in the very near future. So like I said, I will have a lot more to bring, a lot more updates. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you leave a like. Make sure you comment in the comment section below and let me know how bullish you just are on all of this that is just been dropped on us, just literally dropped on us like a freaking bombshell. Okay, so man, that's all I got. I'm finna catch my breath and I'm finna get on up out of here. But man, y'all already know one thing's for certain, two things for sure. You gon' make a return all day with all.